During Sarah's press conference, she said that BBM was asking about work. But he didn't really say anything. Did you see that? It seems like the government is confused and has no direction. Let's listen.
Diyos ko, akala mo ba yung presidente natin nagtatrabaho? Hindi nagtatanong yan at all. Hindi, I swear to the flag, si BBM, hindi yan siya. Nagtatanong ng trabaho at all. Kaya napansin nyo ba, walang direksyon yung governance at walang direksyon yung iba't ibang departamento. Bakit? Kasi he doesn't give he doesn't command. He doesn't command, he doesn't ask, he doesn't say that, look, there's a Philippine development plan and what are you supposed to do about this? Akala nyo ba yung ginawa ko sa DepEd, galing yun kay Bibi? Hindi, akin yun. Lahat. Kasi he did not give any orders at all.